Hi everyone, watch me final coat this cake while I talk to you about working with buttercream in different temperatures. So not long ago, it was summer, and you know what it's like in summer, our buttercream's like soup. But I'm already struggling with my buttercream going a bit too cold. I didn't even get the amount of times I've had to go back and forth, put more buttercream in, smooth it out. So if it's like this already, I am not looking forward to winter when it is just going to be so cold. My buttercream will harden within seconds probably. So if you guys have any tips, I would love to hear them.